Today we are going to talk about how does a drug work. Every phase in the drug's journey in the body is important, and the drug will not have its desired effect if one of them did not happen. Even if the molecule got absorbed, traveled through the blood, and reached the site of its action, it will not work unless one more step is done, binding with its receptor. This question has thousands of answers, since different drugs do their effect by various ways. However, the main effect of drugs is mediated through binding to the receptors so that sequential processes can happen and lead to a response. So, our question in this video will be how drugs behave around the receptors. If a drug receptor binding results in activation of the receptor molecule, the drug is termed as agonist. If inhibition results, the drug is considered an antagonist. An antagonist has no effect, it only inhibits the agonist from sitting on the receptor and do its effect. Doing quantitation of the effects of the drug-receptor interaction as a function of dose or concentration results in dose response curves that provide us with knowledge about the nature of the drug-receptor interactions. In this video, we will see the basic drug-receptor interactions and how would they result. The traditional agonist receptor binding process results in the dose response curve denoted A alone, like dopamine and salbutamol. B is a pharmacologic antagonist drug that competes with the agonist for binding to the receptor site. The dose response curve produced by increasing doses of A in the presence of a fixed concentration of B is indicated by the curve A plus B, like the beta-2 blockers. An allosteric activator will cause conformational changes in the receptor 3D structure so that the agonist effect will increase, like oxygen when binding to hemoglobin. An allosteric inhibitor does not compete with an agonist for binding to the receptor. However, it decreases its effect by causing conformational changes in the receptor 3D structure, like strychnine when it inhibits the action of glycine molecules. For more details about the examples, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you can get a notification when the next video is uploaded.